The DIY part fill valve ensures that the water level in your tank is never lower than 7 centimetres. This means you can use your rainwater tank to water your garden when you go on holidays. The rainwater tank will never run out of water. There are other part fill valves available, but these require a plumber to install the valve inside the rainwater tank. The DIY part fill valve is completely external to the tank, and so it's easy for anyone to install. Let me now show you how to install the DIY part fill valve. Place the valve next to the rainwater tank so the bottom of the valve is at the same level as the bottom of the tank. Connect the valve inlet to the mains water supply. Connect the valve outlet to the tank inlet. Connect the barbed elbow to the tank outlet so that the water can flow from the tank to the valve. When the water level in the rainwater tank has fallen below 7 centimetres, mains water will start filling the tank until the water level reaches 10 centimetres. The water level cycles between 7 centimetres and 10 centimetres until it rains and the tank starts filling with rainwater. Having purchased and installed the DIY part fill valve, you are now ready to use the rainwater tank to automatically water your garden when you go on holidays. The DIY part fill valve can be purchased online at the Measured Irrigation website. Thank you.